Colloidal zinc, the forgotten gatekeeper of your cells. Most people go through life never realizing that one forgotten trace element has been quietly deciding how fast they heal, how clearly they think, how strong their immune system really is. That element is zinc. And if your body is the temple, zinc is the gatekeeper standing at every door. Current data suggests that close to 1 in 5 humans on Earth does not get enough zinc for normal immune development and growth, with deficiency quietly driving infections, delayed healing, loss of muscle and skin breakdown, especially in older adults. Zinc cannot be made by the body. Every single atom has to arrive from the outside, from food, water or supplements, and yet it is woven into more than 300 enzymes that run your metabolism, your digestion, your nerves, your hormones, your fertility, your senses of taste and smell, and the way your DNA repairs itself every night. That strange loss of taste or smell after viral infections, and recently in COVID-type illnesses, is often a red flag for zinc disruption in the nasal and taste pathways, which is why targeted zinc restoration is being explored for long-lasting smell and taste problems. Miss zinc, and the whole system quietly starts to fray. Look at the modern world. Depleted soils, processed food, filtered water that strips out natural colloids. On paper, people are fine. But underneath, mild zinc deficiency shows up as constant infections, slow wound healing, thinning hair, skin that never quite clears, brain fog, burnout, loss of taste for life itself. You are not broken, you are under-mineralized. Colloidal zinc from Alchemical science was created for that hidden gap. Not as a synthetic tablet your body has to fight to dissolve, but as ultra-pure elemental zinc suspended in structured water, tuned for biological resonance. These microscopic particles move through your inner terrain like a silent repair team, ready to plug into enzymes, cell membranes, receptors, wherever the blueprint is starving for this signal. Colloidal zinc delivers elemental zinc in water, releasing the very same zinc ions that plants draw from living soil and lock into chlorophyll and enzymes. The primal bioavailable zinc signal that all biology has evolved to recognize and use. Even plant roots actively seek these zinc ions, from fertile soil to support nitrogen-fixing bacteria symbiosis and optimize growth processes. Unlike synthetic salts that irritate or plant chelates with low uptake, this is nature's original zinc signal. Science note: plasma synthesized zinc nanoparticles, between 5 and 20 nanometer, unlock up to 95% bioavailability, shattering gluconate's 40% barrier, mirroring iron nano breakthroughs in human studies. Unlike tablets that bind zinc to bulky carriers, this is nature speaking directly to your cells. On the physical level, colloidal zinc behaves like an immune conductor. Modern research shows that zinc not only boosts immunity in a vague way, but physically fortifies the mucosal barriers of the lungs and gut, and can directly interfere with viral entry and replication, inhibiting polymerases and supporting metallothioneins that suppress viruses like hepatitis C. It helps immune cells recognize threats more intelligently, shortens the lifespan of colds, supports resilience against pneumonia and other infections, and lowers the oxidative stress that silently ages your tissues. In your skin, it fuels collagen production, calms inflammation, supports acne-prone and reactive skin, and accelerates wound healing so your body can close old stories instead of carrying them for months. At the very moment a human life begins, a tiny zinc spark flashes in the egg. The brighter the spark, the higher the potential for a healthy embryo, hinting at how deeply zinc is woven into the code of creation itself. In men, zinc saturates the prostate and semen, guarding sperm DNA, supporting testosterone, and helping maintain a healthy, resilient prostate, which is why low zinc so often shows up as low libido, poorer sperm, and age-related prostate problems. In the nervous system, zinc participates in the chemistry of focus, memory, and mood, with emerging neuroprotective roles against neurodegeneration, stroke, depression, and cognitive decline through antioxidant and anti-inflammatory pathways. Many people notice that when zinc deficiency is corrected, thoughts feel sharper, decisions clearer, emotions more grounded. The noise drops, the signal returns. Deep down, the subconscious hears, "We are safe enough to grow again." Colloidal zinc also speaks to the deeper architecture of the body: bones, hormones, long-term vitality. It supports bone formation, healthy testosterone and fertility, blood sugar balance. Zinc also sits quietly inside your insulin machinery, helping your pancreas package, store and release insulin properly, with human studies showing that restoring zinc can improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity in people on the edge of diabetes. And the antioxidant enzyme systems, like superoxide dismutase, that defend your cells from free radical damage. Zinc and magnesium compete at high doses, but harmonize beautifully at physiological levels for bone strength and immunity, while zinc naturally balances excess copper, the hidden antagonist that modern life tips too high, fueling inflammation and nervous tension. This is anti-aging from the level of the blueprint, not the level of the mask. On the subtle level, alchemical science honors zinc as more than a nutrient, as a frequency. In metaphysical traditions, zinc is linked with calming excess electricity in the nerves, grounding scattered energy, and supporting intuitive awakening without losing your center. Many people feel more stable in their body and clearer in their inner guidance when the physical nervous system finally has the minerals it was designed to run on. Alchemical science exists for this meeting point between advanced science and living alchemy. Each batch of colloidal zinc is produced in small runs, in structured quantum hexagonal water, then bottles the final colloid in graphite-coated biophotonic glass that shields from UV, visible and infrared light, and electromagnetic interference, preserving both molecular integrity and subtle energetic information. No salts, no fillers, no dyes. Just zinc in its most elemental, bioactive, and energetically coherent form. This is not about adding one more supplement to an overloaded shelf. It is about returning a missing key to the lock of your biology and feeling what happens when that door opens. If something in you recognizes this as truth, not as marketing, but as memory, that is the part of you that has been waiting for real minerals again. Colloidal zinc, for immunity that remembers, skin that restores, nerves that relax, and a spirit that can finally grow into its own design. Explore the full zinc dossier and protocols at alchemicalscience.com.